Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today's our topic is how can we make new tabs. Here you can see in our video we just try to learn how can we add tabs, and here you can see the different tabs available like format, insert, page layout, formula, data and different tab. In these tabs we will just add a new tab which is our own name. And how can we make this tab? Like if I click on it, so you can see the different functions available here, right? All charts available, and we can add the filter function, we can add save as sum and other chart options, and in the same way like filter. So how can we make these tabs, and how can we add different functions in the tabs of our own choice? If you want to make different tabs you can make, and in these tabs you can add your own values. So let's look at how can we make it. So let's begin our topic, and in these tabs you have to just select here, right click, and in this right click you can see the customize the ribbon. After that a box will appear. In the box you can see the main tabs available here. In these tabs you can see the different tabs which we always see. Now what we have to do, we have to just click here new task. In the new task we can see the new tab, just click on it, and what we have to do, we have to just rename it. You can rename as per your own choice. I just write here the genius world and then press here OK. Now you can see our tab is appearing here. Now we have to just click on the below button, and then we can select our own desired functions. Like I can select, or like I select the calculate. Now just press here and you can see here I just write here add, so it add our function. Like if I want to add another function, what I have to do, I just scroll and select another function and just press add. Like if I select the other function, so I'll just try to select, or I can select what the function I'm using continuous basis, like the sum function. So just click on here and add on it. So we have add three functions. Like if you want to add some different functions you can select, like after selecting the tab and after selecting the four functions, I want to select the different tabs or different ribbons. So you can see here and you can select like all tabs or main tabs, and in the main tabs you can see here different tabs. And in the tabs, like first suppose if I just go here in the page layout, so you can see the different functions, and in these different functions if I select the theme and add it, so here you can see it has add the themes. Now for suppose if I want to add some different functions like in the formulas, so I can select the different functions like for formula editing or auditing. Like you can see here it has add the different functions of my own desire. In the new group we have functions, and in the other functions like themes and formula auditing, these are the functions which you can add by your own choice. And then we have to just press here OK, and after pressing you can see it has added the function. If I click on it, it has given the options and it has shown me the all the options which I have selected or which I am using on my continuous basis. So these are the functions which you can add and which you can use in your functions. If you like our video, please share and subscribe it. Thank you so much.